I'm gonna get one on the blooper, now we know that now. Ready?
And it's going to be a great opportunity for your...
You were going.
I was going. I just... it's also going to be a challenge. This last bit, Hi everybody, we're really looking forward to joining you down at the Southern Manufacturing. Hi everybody. I gotta stop that.
Hi everyone, Will from Zola. No wait, I'll tell you what. Can I just keep it rolling? Yeah. No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try and, like I always do, just freestyle it. Hi everyone, Will from Zola. No, that's that first bit. It trips me up. Wait a minute. I'll keep going.
With its innovative, that's a long word to say that, it's innovative. With its
3D CAD file. Oh, I'm stumbling on something so easy. Effectively placed using 3D print CAD files. That's not true either. This is where we lay down.
If you're not, go again. It's just have a chat around our trade up and upgrades. Let's have a conversation. Let's get you. Oh, no, fuck off. What are you laughing for? You come and do it. Come on, I'll come and switch around here. To make you more tool efficient and get you the best in what you can do.
Hi, I'm Mitch. You're not Ron. Who put a question mark in the teleprompter?
Hi, I'm Billy from OGP UK, and I'm here to tell you how to increase your inspection throughput. Bottled that massively. Right. So what is it? Hi, I'm Billy from OGP UK. I don't like cameras.
The 7th to the 9th of... Is it the 7th to the 9th of February? I'm a walking meme at the minute, aren't I, for these? Going down to Southern Manufacturing this year. It's other... I've blown myself. In Farnborough. I'll start one more time, this is going to be it, mate. You know why I've got a tickly nose? Yeah, you go there. Then you've got no control over that beast.
Why have you gone that way?
You may be manually setting tools on your machines. This is inefficient into the modern manufacturing world. You may still be Ray, what are you doing? You're setting tools. You may still be setting tools. Ah, Lord. You may still be probing tools. No, you're not probing tools. You may still be... 2 seconds. Sake. You might be setting tools manually. Yeah. How now, brown cow?
One of the main reasons we need to inspect components. One of the main reasons we need to inspect
It will then give the operator live feedback as it's running through of whether parts are good, in limit or out of tolerance. And the parts not in the machine.
That can go out into the markets to support their customer. Cycle, looking for parts. Got it, China. Whether you're looking to print functional prototypes, I'm stumbling on that word now. This is so funny. The FDM process is ideal because of the nature and the vast array. It's ideal for this. It enables us to print materials. Getting there, mate. It's hard when you've got a camera in your face. I think that'll do.
So we look forward to seeing you at Southern Manufacturing from the 7th to the 9th of February. Cheers, bye. Cheers, bye. Cheers, bye.